thanks for joining me on my market report. My name is Mike, and my market report is on mortgage rates. We discuss what's impacting mortgage rates on a daily basis. Sometimes it comes from the economic calendar or a combination with that and headline news and geopolitical. But becomes more confusing when the market sentiment changes and you're sitting on the sideline and not realizing what's going on here. And good news is now bad news and vice versa. So we try to get into what's on investors' mind, what's driving the markets, and give you the better idea of what's going on here. So that way you could better prepare yourself as to what, if you're in the industry, you're probably trying to get industry news. But if you're looking to refinance or purchase, you're probably following rates and want to know is a good time to lock in. And hopefully this will give you the information that you may be seeking. A little bit about myself is I am a loan officer. I do work with a national lender. We lend in all 50 states. So if you got any questions about loans, or whether it's a refinancing or purchase, we'd love to be able to assist you. So please reach out. But more than that, we like to be a resource for you folks. So if you guys got questions about anything, again, please reach out. We're here to help you guys out. So without further ado, we'll jump right into it. We'll start off with the economic calendar. This week is relatively light. Today is no exception. We got the weekly MBA report that is on mortgage loan activity report. So doesn't have any impact on the markets. It just kind of gives us a good gauge as to if loan officers are taking more applications from one week to the other. And it's broken down in purchase and refinance activity. So as you can see here, just glancing at it, purchase is actually up from last week, which is obviously good news. And then also refinance, as the rates have gone up, the activity level of refinance has gone down. Sorry about that. Refinance has gone down. But what's on the docket today is Jerome Powell has a two-day meeting with Congress. Right now, today he happens to be meeting with the Senate, and then tomorrow he'll be meeting with the House of Representatives committees. So this is what will transpire today. Really nothing new. He's kind of already gone through it, but nothing's really changed. I think a lot of investors are not overly thrilled. They feel that every time he speaks, it's pretty much the same thing, but it does come across as more and more hawkish. Of course, this hawkish talk is got people concerned about the economy and where things are going in terms of possible recession. So those are things that people are talking about right now, a recession. So these are the concerns that are out there. So as a result, we're seeing stocks actually down today. That money is actually flowing back into mortgage-backed securities, whereas yesterday we saw the opposite. So this is helping us out. Today, we're up 48 basis points currently. We're up a little bit higher, but still pretty good range here. So our rate sheets are looking a little bit better today in terms of where things are at. Yesterday, we actually improved a bit. We actually closed upwards and closed down just 3 basis points, so almost unchanged levels yesterday, which is good news. And then today, we're up in a little over 50, like 55 at least at one point. But so far right now we're at about up 48 basis points. And then we see over here a big drop in terms of the 10-year Treasury down to 3.16, which is almost 12 basis points. That as one would attest, that's a pretty big drop there as well. Now, what's driving all this? Well, we got some good news in terms of inflationary data, when that is the price per barrel of oil has gone down. Now, it was just, I think last week, we were already up to like $121, $122 per barrel, which is a high that we haven't seen for quite some time. I'm not sure how long of a duration that may have been, but that is a high number. Right now, it just dipped down to about $105, $106 per barrel. So a pretty significant drop in price per barrel. Now, what's also happening is that the White House is talking about possibly suspending the gasoline tax out there for 3 months, and then also encouraging states to do the same. So this might help bring prices of gasoline down a bit and help to obviously help people out a little bit more in terms of the cash flow, especially when this is the time when gasoline prices are usually at its highest. This may help a little bit. We'll have to wait and see how it really transpires, but this is something that's coming up, and of course, this is kind of helping out mortgage-backed securities as well. the big thing about that is if you look at it long term, that's revenue coming, typically would be revenue coming into the government, and to offset that, they could be renting out more bonds, so adding more supply to the market. So it's a kind of a double-edged sword right there. All right, so obviously good news. Mortgage-backed securities are up, helping mortgage rates. Our rate sheets are looking a little bit better. So lastly, we will take a quick peek at the average rate for conforming loan limits. Now, do keep in mind these do have points built into it, so this is one reason why you're not seeing the increments of 1/8% in there, where that's usually what our rate sheets will look like. And then also, they are 1 day delayed based on the data from yesterday, not using today's data where rates are at. So based on yesterday, 30-year fix is at 6.07, and the 15-year is at 5.44. So we saw a little bit of worsening in the rates. So tomorrow we'll see what would be basically today's, what we're looking at for today's. So far we are coming a little bit closer to the 25-day moving average, which is good. Hopefully it can get us back up closer to that same level. Saw what we saw about 2 weeks ago, that nice level there. But again, we're a little ways away from that, so we'll have to wait and see if we can come anywhere closer to that. All right, folks, that is about it. If you guys got any questions about anything or we can be of any assistance, again, please reach out. We're here to help you guys out. Um, and also, if you guys like these videos, please help us out and smash that like button and share. We greatly appreciate it, folks. Thank you so much. We'll look forward to see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.